Grant's new AquaPro shaking bath range provides exceptional temperature performance and incorporates Motion Pro technology to ensure samples are reliably shaken and securely held. This short presentation will help you decide which Grant shaking bath is right for you. We're often asked to describe the benefits of a shaking bath. Our response focuses on the fact that water baths provide rapid heat transfer to samples while ensuring they remain at the intended temperature during incubation. Grant shaking baths are ideal for applications requiring both excellent temperature performance and reliable, consistent agitation. Shaking baths typically offer either orbital or linear motion to agitate samples. Orbital motion provides gentle or vigorous swirling, which is ideal for extracting or dissolving compounds or mixing samples such as microbial cultures. Linear shaking baths provide either gentle or vigorous back and forth motion, which is ideal for extractions in food and beverage applications, washing coatings, or dissolving compounds in life science or pharma work. When choosing a shaking bath, consider the temperature range you need to work at. Will you need to work at or below ambient? Also consider the type of motion which suits your application and the capacity you'll require. This will depend on the size and quantity of vessels you plan to place in the bath. Finally, assess how much bench space is available for use. The Grant AquaPro range consists of 3 models: the OLS 26, a 26-litre combined orbital and linear shaking bath, and 2 linear-only shaking baths, the compact LSB 12-litre and a larger LSB 18-litre. If you need flexibility and the option to fine-tune your incubation conditions, the OLS 26 is a perfect choice. The OLS 26 combines excellent temperature performance and orbital and linear motion in one bath. Unique to the OLS 26 is the option to buy an accessory cooling unit to allow the working temperature range to be extended down to 0 degrees C. Unlike other brands, only one tray is required to achieve both orbital and linear motion, making the OLS both convenient and great value for money. Switching between shaking modes is easy. Simply rotate the internal carrier tray by 180 degrees. Other key features include adjustable shaking speed and stroke length, which enables shaking intensity to be optimized. 2 bright LED displays showing temperature and shaking speed provide instant reassurance of bath status. All AquaPro models incorporate a countdown timer, a conveniently located drain tap, 2-point user calibration for optimal accuracy, and dry start, run dry protection. Finally, the 26-litre capacity is perfect for accommodating tall flasks or bottles and large quantities of vessels during sample batching. If you're looking for a general-purpose shaking bath with a small footprint, the LSB 12-litre is ideal. The LSB 12 is a compact linear shaking bath with an intuitive user interface and excellent usability features. Like the OLS 26, the LSB 12 provides reliable, consistent shaking and is extremely quiet during operation. Grant's thoughtfully designed, robust shaking mechanism sits below the shaking tray to maximize the working area and keep moving parts away from the user. The LSB 18-litre bath shares all the common performance and usability features with the LSB 12, but with a larger working area to accommodate more vessels. To maximise bench space, all AquaPro models can be positioned lengthways on the bench without compromising usability. More information is available in the table to help you decide which bath to choose. Equally important is the decision on how to secure your vessels in the shaking bath. We've made it easy by providing a choice of shaking trays, which for flexibility are sold separately from the bath. There are 3 shaking trays to choose from: a universal tray, a flask tray, and a test tube tray. All trays feature handles which extend above the waterline and are extremely easy to insert and remove even when loaded. The universal tray is highly versatile with adjustable springs to hold all common vessels including flasks, bottles and beakers. The multi-purpose flask tray has threaded holes to mix and match large and small flask clamps, test tube racks and a deep well plate holder. Clamps and holders need to be ordered separately. Finally, we offer a test tube tray which is compatible with a choice of 8 rack options for 10 to 30 mm diameter test tubes and 0.5 and 1.5 mm microtubes. Racks feature spring clips which are easily pressed, making removal quick and simple without the need for tools. The test tube tray can also be used alone to accommodate bags and other miscellaneous vessels. We can think of 4 more reasons to choose a Grant shaking bath. We understand that time is precious to you, so we have designed our shaking baths to be easy to use and maintain. Bath setup is quick using the intuitive user interface featuring separate temperature and shaking speed controls. Baths can be conveniently emptied using the front-located drain tap, and the maintenance-free shaking mechanism can be completely removed for routine cleaning. Designed in collaboration with end users, the AquaPro shaking bath range has essential features to provide reassurance that samples will be held securely during incubation. Grant uses only premium materials for construction and provides extensive options to ensure a wide variety of large and small vessels can be accommodated. Making the decision to buy a Grant water bath comes with total peace of mind. Our baths are designed and only manufactured by ourselves in the UK. As you'd expect, they come with a market-leading 3-year warranty and a commitment from us that no matter where you are in the world, we'll provide you with any support you might need. Grant has over 60 years of design and manufacturing experience, which has come together to produce our best shaking water baths ever. Our products have powered scientific discovery and innovation in universities, institutes, and industry for decades. Scientists continue to choose Grant throughout their careers, knowing that our products are built to last and provide temperature control they can always rely on. Contact Grant today to discuss your requirements.